Hello guys, you're welcome again to my YouTube channel Mathematics Made Easy. So in my previous video, we'll talk about introduction to sets. That is, we talk about the definition of a set, we talk about the type of set that we have, and then I explain the type of set we have. Okay, so in today's video, we are going to look into what we call a subset and a superset. Now, what is a subset and what is a superset? Let's dive into the work. So before we dive in, please, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Now, what is a subset? Now, given two non-empty sets, so let's say A and B are we together. So if all or some of the elements in A can be found in B, then we say A is a subset of B. So which is denoted by A is a subset of B. So given two non-empty sets A and B, so if all or some of the elements in A can be found in B, then we say A is a subset of B, which is noted by A is a subset of B. Now, in this kind of subset, equality can hold. Are we together? Equality can hold. Now, let me give you an example. And then before I give you this example, I would like to remind us that a set is a subset of itself. Take note. A set is a subset of itself. Okay? So take note. Now, example. We have sets A equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I have B equals 2, 1, 4, 3, 5. Now, I can say A is a subset of B. And then I can also say A is equal to B. Are we together? So A is a subset of B, and at the same time, A is equal to B. Because we have 1 in A, we have 1 in B, we have 2 in A, 2 in B, 3 in A, 3 in B, 4 in A, 4 in B, 5 in A, 5 in B. So that is all the elements in A can be found in B. Are we together? So these are what? A is a subset of B. And then in some cases, so let's say A is equal to 2, 3, 5. Then we say what? A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B. I mean, a proper subset of B. What is a proper subset? Now, given two non-empty sets, let me define a proper subset. So, given two non-empty sets, so let's use A and B. So, if there is at least one element in B that is not in A, then we say A is a proper subset of B. So if A is a proper subset of B, then we can say B is a superset of A. Take note of that. So in this case, I can say A is a proper subset of B, and at the same time, I can say A is a subset of B. Are we together? Because all the elements in all the elements in A can be found in B. Then the reason why we say it's a proper subset is that what? That is at least some elements in B that are not what? That are not in A. Like 1, we have 1 in B, not in A. We have 4 in B, not in A. So that is it. So very simple. So if there is at least one element in B that is not in A, so we have a proper subset. Are we together? So if A is a proper subset of B, then we'll say B is a superset of A. Now, let me give us some examples. So let's say set A is equal to set of all natural numbers. Then B is equal to all even numbers. Then let's say C equals all odd numbers. And then let's say D equals all prime numbers. Now take note of something. So we can say B is a subset of what? Of the set of natural number, which is A, because all the elements in B can be found in A. All even numbers, that is, we removed all the even numbers in the set of natural numbers. All odd numbers, we remove all odd numbers from the set of natural numbers. All prime numbers, we remove them from the set of natural numbers. So that shows that B is a subset of A, C is a subset of A, and at the same time, D is a subset of A. Are we together? So what if I say let's B be equal to set of positive integers, and then let's say A is equal to set of natural number. So I can say A is a subset of B, and at the same time, yeah, A is a subset of B because we can see A in what? In B, and that is that about subset and superset. Okay guys, so we shall continue in our next video. Please don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. See you next time.